In this video, I'll be replacing the ticking blend door actuator for the mode control in this third generation Ford Expedition. This is also applicable on the F-150 from 2010 to 2014, with installation being even easier than on the Expedition. This is also the same actuator for certain years of the Ford Escape and C-Max, Lincoln Navigator, and Mercury Mariner, although installation may vary slightly by model. I'll include a link to the replacement actuator in the description below. This is a very common issue that's caused by a broken gear inside the actuator. It causes a ticking noise under the dash when you change the airflow direction of the HVAC system. The mode blend door actuator is located on the driver's side, above and to the right of the gas pedal. It's easiest to access by laying on your back on the driver's floorboard with a seat all the way back. The tools you'll need for the F-150 are only an 8mm socket and ratchet. Use the chapter markers below to skip ahead to the actuator removal. For the Expedition, you'll also need a 13mm socket, extension, and ratchet to temporarily move the gas pedal out of the way. It's also very helpful to have a light handy to be able to see what you're working on a little bit better. Let's get started by removing the three 13mm bolts, securing the gas pedal assembly, and reposition it to the left. You don't have to disconnect anything, just get it out of the way. Moving up to the actuator, pull down the red safety lock and unplug the connector. Remove the two 8mm bolts, securing the actuator, and slide it out. As you can see, the splines on the actuator will only allow it to fit in one position. The splines on your new actuator may not be in the same orientation as the old one, so when you go to install a new actuator, first line up the splines with the blend door, then rotate the actuator and door around until it lines up with the mounting holes, and slide it onto the retaining pin in the upper right corner. Reinstall the two 8mm bolts and plug the connector back in, secure it with a red safety lock. If you removed the gas pedal, line it up with the mounting holes and reinstall the three 13mm bolts. Now turn the key on and test the mode dial, or buttons for some models, correctly redirect the flow from the upper vents to lower vents to defrost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out my Expedition playlist for all of my Ford Expedition related content.